Hi everyone, my name is Craig Gorbanoff, Customer Solutions Advisor here at Vizrt at InfoComm 2026, here to show you Vizrt's CaptivAIte, an integration with our Zoom Room conference room solution. So kicking things off here, taking a look at our Zoom Room controller, we're going to use our multi-box solution. Every Zoom call you've ever been a part of in your life starts with a shared piece of content on the screen. How do we make that more interesting and more dynamic? We create a multi-box display. So from here, we're able to keep multiple participants visually on screen at the same time and interactively zoom into the different sources to have a much more dynamic and clean presentation. Now, while this is maybe a little bit more visually interesting, it's not the most immersive tool in Vizrt CaptivAIte's toolbox. If we jump over to our AR set here, we can take a look at how we're able to tie together the physical room with our virtual environment by bringing that content here into the physical space with us. So whether that's our presentation here on the screen or our bar graphs over on the table, I'm now able to stay connected to that content, work with it in augmented reality, right? Gesture to it. We do a vision-based learning of the room so this content stays pinned exactly where we are. And as you can see here from the screen, but also from the wall here, that content's not really in the room. Next up, when we think about the room, we have, maybe you want a little bit of an over-the-top branded presentation or just something a little bit nicer. Let's take a look at our virtual set environment. And if we come up to the screen, we'll see right here we've been transported into our virtual set and take a look at our AI here. So zoomed in, you can see our wonderful camera person Lily here as well on the presentation. But you can see that we've been keyed out from the background here. There's no green screen in the room, there's no specialty lighting, and you'll see that it recognizes that my microphone and your camera are part of who you are as people, and you've been transported here into the virtual reality, into the space. We have a whole library of virtual sets. They don't all look like this. There's a lot of things that you can pick and choose from, but we also have a pro services team where you can do a custom designed virtual set for your organization's look and feel. And last but not least, we have our last use case. It's a bit of a combination of all the pieces of tech that we've talked about, and that is our teleportation. So we're going to go ahead and welcome in Taryn Adams, our Global Alliance lead for Zoom, into the room here and bring in our presentation, right? So you can have content, or you can have content in the room, you can have presenters anywhere in the globe connected via Zoom, and you're able to communicate simply using Zoom audio, the AI keyer, and whatever their AV solution is at home. So thank you so much for joining me. Again, my name is Craig Gorbanoff here with Vizrt, and for more information, you can go to vizrt.com.